my glam dolls, what's up? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. If this is your first time watching, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below, and right next to it is a notification bell. Make sure y'all smash that right quick. That way anytime I upload a video, a post, whatever, you guys will be notified. And yeah, let's get you popping on a video. But before I do, almost forgot. See, look, I thought we was here. I thought we ain't here. But this video is an unboxing for my November Boxycharm, as well as try on probably for October and November. I decided to do a try on. I haven't done this, so y'all bear with me. Don't know how this look is going to come out. But yeah, this is for October and November's Boxycharm unboxing. And we're just going to try. I'm going to show you the price I got in my November box. Let y'all know about that one. And then we are going to try it on the face and see how we like it or whatever. So without further ado, don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Okay, so for those of y'all who are new to Boxycharm or don't really know what it is, Boxycharm is I want to say $21.99 a month beauty subscription box, and you get at least 3 to 5 full-size products. But if I am mistaken in anything, even though I get them once a month for a year now, I still be confused. But I will have all the information in my referral link down below if you are interested in getting Boxycharm monthly. They do also have Boxy Luxe, which is the bigger box, and it's the more upgraded version of Boxycharm. But I'm going to get into my November Boxycharm. I already opened it because I wanted to see the palettes before I did this look, so I could have a little idea of what to do. So the first thing I got, which I will be using today in this video, of course, is, let me get them all. It is this 4-piece Luxie mini brush set, and they look like this. They are small and detailed, so you get all up in them creases and stuff, get them detailed looks going. And they have a gold glitter handle, and these are the mini brushes. So these are them here. So we are going to be using that in today's look. Here is the card right here, and they also, as usual, give you Boxycharm coupons that you can use. So that is what the Boxy Luxe looks like from September's box. So the theme of this month's Boxycharm is Gold Digger. And this is the list of all the products that they have and about it and the retail value price. So I will list them all down below and where you can find them at. So yeah, let's get into the box, okay? So the first thing in the box is this. I already took it out the box just to save some time. Is the Cover FX. This is the glitter drops, and I got it in the shade Nova. And these are supposed to be ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter. Create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer or body. But the rest of the descriptions for other products I will say as voiceovers as I am using them in the video, so just to save some time. So this is the glitter drops here. Next thing, that retails for $44. The next thing I got was the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, which was all the rave on this month's Boxycharm. This retails for $24. and I already swatched them. So these are what the shades look like here. So you got nice little browns, you got your pinks, you got your bronzes, and then you got your neutral nude shades. So we are going to be using this palette today, honey. No. And a mixture of the last month's box, which is the Pure Masquerade, Midnight Masquerade palette. Okay. The next thing I have is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. These are in the style Insta Glam. This is what the packaging looks like. It is cute packaging. Don't get me wrong on that. It's cute packaging. And they have the Instagram and all their social media information here. And this is what it says. Ready, set, get addicted. And these are what the lashes looks like. Let me put it upside down. This is what the lashes look like. Like, come, all right. This is my little rant, okay? And then we just gonna go on about our business with the unboxing. Boxycharm, Yosef, Gabriella, come on now with these baby ass lashes. I can't do nothing with these baby ass lashes. Can I get some drama, please? I need some drama, honey. Some drama, okay? Okay, can I get some drama? Because these Insta Glam, you ain't Insta nothing. Insta upset. That's what I am. Insta upset. These retail for $14.99. Why? Why? I wouldn't buy this in the store. I'm just going to put that out there right now. I'm going to put the review on Boxycharm because they need to know. Stop giving us these baby ass lashes, okay? But yeah, I digress. Let's keep going. The next thing I got was Jaunty Blue. This is another thing, okay? Jaunty Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is for $5. This is the last item that I got in my Boxycharm. This is a eye pencil. It's supposed to be long lasting, intense color with glitter. This is in the shade, it just says Glittering Star Eye, black color. Update your eyes. But yeah, this is another black liner. I'm getting all these black pencil liners from, and I don't use them. I don't use these, okay? I use NYX milk pencil in the jumbo pencil in milk. I put it on my waterline and I use whatever shade I want, okay? I don't use these. Stop giving these to me, okay? I don't want it. I was supposed to get tweezers or I was supposed to get a brush cleaner. I'd rather have the damn brush cleaner, okay? Somebody send me their brush cleaner and I'll give this to y'all, okay? Give me your brush cleaner because that's what I need. But yeah, that is November's Boxycharm. Now we are going to get into trying this stuff on because this video is as long as I don't know. It's long, okay? It's Sunday. I'm tired. I gotta go to school tomorrow. So let's get into this makeup look, all right? And if I don't use products, if y'all don't see me using products, it's because it is not in the Boxycharm box. It is somewhere else. So I will skip past that part and I will just use the Boxycharm in the video, okay? Let's get into it. So for the first shade, we are going into the Ace Beauty, and we are going to use this maroon color right here as our first shade, and we're going to put it all on the crease. I also forgot to tell you guys the brush that I'm going to be using. This is the Luxie 131 mini angled brush from the Boxycharm box. Looks like that. And that is the brush we're going to use to apply the shadow down. Okay, so hopefully this goes right. I just used an orange from the, well, I guess since it's from Boxycharm anyway. This is the Laura Lee Party Animal one. And I used that orange shade to put on top of the burgundy shade from the Ace Beauty palette. So hopefully this goes good. It's going good so far. Okay, so with the same concealer, which I still have on the back of my hand, I'm going to cut my crease into, well, I can't explain the shape. I don't know. I'm just going to cut the crease and I'm going to cut it. Y'all gonna see. I'll be back. going to go into the Masquerade, the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. We're going to do something a little different, okay? I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Expose. And I'm going to put it all on my lid. So y'all see, look at the cut crease, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's apply this Expose shade onto the lid, and then we'll go on to the video from there. Okay, so we got that silver down from the Masquerade palette, the Exposed shade. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that red. I'm going to put it on the outer side because I left a spot open, a little spot open. And then I'm going to put the orange and then the yellow. Y'all will see everything that I'm doing. So just keep on watching so y'all can see what I'm doing, and you know, shit. Okay, so this is the eye look. So what I'm going to do now is zoom out. This is the eye look. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply mascara to my lashes, and I'm going to put on false eyelashes. This eye will be done, so when we get back, all we have to do is apply the face, and then get it should pop in and talking about the box or whatever. So yeah, peace. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with. My lashes are not dry yet, so don't y'all come for me in that comment box, okay? So now I'm going to try to use the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. It says shake well. Shake it, 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 shake it. How y'all think my makeup came out, y'all? It's cool. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the back of my hands. Just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. And I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Take some excess off. Swatch. Take some excess off. I put too much. I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply this. Pray for me, y'all. Here we go. I don't see nothing happening. Did I use it right? It's messing up my makeup is what it's doing. Oh no, baby. You'll see if I did all of this and you just gonna mess up my makeup. Look at that. Look what it did. Okay, I'm gonna try the other side. This don't look good at all. Alright, with a fail. This is a fail for me. So that is it. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed my November Boxycharm for 2018. Next video will probably be my brow tutorial, or will be a vlog about what's been going on with me so far, so y'all guys will know the tea, hunty. Okay? So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys